Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for June 26th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI Market Roundup. Breaking news. Here are today's biggest AI stories you need to know right now. Run a VLLM server on HF Jobs in one command. Hugging Face, a popular platform where AI developers share free models, just made it way easier to run a powerful AI server. You can now start a VLLM server with just one command. Think of it like pressing a button to launch a high-speed AI engine. What this means for you: faster and cheaper AI tools for everyone, because developers can now deploy models in seconds instead of hours. Apple price hikes. US restricts GPT-5.6, repricing software engineers. Apple raised prices on some of its products. We'll get into that later. The US government is restricting the release of OpenAI's next big model, GPT-5.6. And companies are rethinking how much they pay software engineers because AI is changing the job market. What this means for you: your next iPhone might cost more. The most advanced AI might be delayed, and tech salaries could shift. TechCrunch AI: the White House is asking OpenAI to slow roll the release of its new model over safety concerns. The White House told OpenAI to slow down the launch of its newest model, GPT-5.6. Instead of a public release, OpenAI will share it with a small group of partners first. The reason: safety concerns. The government wants to make sure the AI is safe before millions of people use it. What this means for you: you'll have to wait longer for the next big AI upgrade, but it might be safer when it arrives. Engineering at Meta Engineering: privacy-aware infrastructure in the AI-native era, an asset classification case study. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, published a detailed guide on how to build privacy controls into AI systems. Think of it like creating a filing system that automatically knows which documents are public and which are private. This helps AI respect your data. What this means for you: better privacy protections in the AI tools you use every day. TechCrunch AI: Patronus AI lands $50 million to build digital worlds that stress test AI agents. Patronus AI, a startup founded by former Meta AI researchers, raised $50 million to build simulated worlds that test AI agents. Imagine a video game where AI assistants have to solve real problems, and if they fail, the game reveals the bugs. Companies are desperate for this kind of testing. What this means for you: more reliable AI assistants that won't mess up your appointments or orders. Retrofit, don't rebuild. Agentic overlays for transforming legacy enterprise services. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Amazon's cloud computing business, published a guide on how to add AI to old business software without rewriting everything. They call it agentic overlays. Think of it like adding a smart layer on top of a decades-old system. This saves companies millions. What this means for you: the apps you use at work might get smarter without you noticing a big change. Anthropic's Claude is winning over paid consumers, a market owned by ChatGPT. ChatGPT still dominates the AI market, but something surprising is happening. People who pay for AI are increasingly choosing Anthropic's Claude, a competitor to ChatGPT. Data shows Claude is winning in the paid subscriber space. It's like a new coffee shop slowly stealing customers from Starbucks. What this means for you: more competition means better AI tools and possibly lower prices for you. Conclusion and key takeaways. That's your AI News Roundup for June 26, 2026. Big moves from the White House, Apple, and Anthropic. The market is shaky but full of opportunity. Remember, AI is moving fast, but you don't need to be a developer to understand what matters. Stay curious, and we'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for daily AI news. Drop a comment: which story surprised you the most? See you in the next video.